Sawadee good morning. So, last night, tatapos na yung MGI All-Stars at meron ng result. Ang nanalo ay si Vanessa Polgarin of Colombia. Okay, top 2 is si Ghana and si Vanessa Polgarin, and of course, si Colombia yung nanalo. Actually, nung top 5 pa lang, 'di ba nakapasok si Gassini. Let's go back to the top 5. Actually, nung top 5 pa lang nakapasok si Gassini, 'di ba? Then they had question and answer. May kanya-kanya silang question. And of course, after that, nagbigay yung mga judges ng scores, row scores. Based doon sa row scores, Gassini got top 3 high scores from the judges without the votes. So meaning, pasok sana si Gassini kung wala yung voting system, pasok si Gassini sa top 3. Kasi I think as Czech Republic, Ghana, Gassini, Colombia, then Vietnam, yung score sa top 5 sa judges. Pero may mga votes kasi kaya naapektuhan yung raw scores plus votes. Ang daming nag-vote kay Vanessa Polgarin at the same time kay Vietnam kasi ang dami nilang mga fans. So from 4 to 5, naging 2 to 3 sila. Yung si Czech Republic, siya yung naging 4th, si Gassini naging 5th. Hindi dahil mababa yung scores ng judges, kundi dahil mababa yung votes sa kanila. That is why yung pumasok sa top 3 is si Ghana. Kahit mababa yung votes ni Ghana, pero ang taas ng raw scores niya from the judges. Kaya kahit papaano, nakasurvive siya. So first si Ghana, naging second is I think si Vanessa, or si Vietnam. Then third si Polgarin. So sila yung top 3. Na sana 4 to 5 yung yung rank nila. So because of the votes nga, because of the support of their fans, ayun nga, bumaliktad yung results. So imagine ganun ka importante yung mga votes na kahit nasa 5th position ka pa, 4th position ka pa sa top 5 based sa answer mo, pwedeng maging yung 5th maging 1, maging 1st, yung 4th maging 2nd, kung marami talagang votes na pumapasok. And take note, Vietnam got the World Choice Award. Yun nga dahil maraming nagvo-vote sa kanya. Not because ang ganda ng answer ni Vietnam, not because inspiring siya or whatever. It's because of the votes. It's because of the support of her supporters. Okay? So, even si Vanessa Polgarin, yun sa top 5 siya, hindi maganda yung sagot niya. Nasa top 4 siya. 4th position siya. Pero yun nga, because of the support, because of the votes of her supporters, ayun nga, yung top 4 and top 5 positions, naging top 3, top 2. So imagine that, because of the votes na na shuffle lahat ng mga scores. So that is why, ayun yung rason bakit hindi nakapasok si Gassini sa top 3 based doon sa results na nilabas ng mga judges. Okay, based of the votes. And also, in top 2, di ba? Have you noticed? In top 2, Ghana versus Colombia na. Sila na yung top 2. Supposedly, yung mananalo based on the performance, based on the answers talaga is si Ghana. Diba? Yun naman talaga yung narinig natin na very eloquent, very straight to the point, ang ganda ng pagkasagot sa question. Siya naman talaga based sa raw judges, based sa scores from the judges, siya ang nanalo, si Ghana. Ang layo ng diferensya ng answer niya, sa top 3. Ang layo ng diferensya ng answer niya sa answer ng 2 other candidates, ang layo. Pero, bakit nanalo si Colombia? It's because of the votes also. Okay? Siguro kung si Vietnam at si Colombia yung top 2, mananalo si Vietnam kasi mas marami yung votes ni Vietnam kay Colombia. Pero, between Ghana and Colombia, mas maraming votes si Polgarin, si Colombia, kumpara kay Faith. Kahit na ang ganda-ganda ng sagot niya. That is why, yun yung rason bakit nalaglag si Faith, nalaglag si Gassini. Not because of the answer, it's because of the vote. It's because of the support. kahit gaano ka pa kagaling, kung walang votes, walang pumapasok na mga votes, hindi ka mananalo kasi nga mababaliktad yung score. Yun yung nangyari sa top 5 at nangyari rin sa top 2 na ang ganda-ganda ng performance ni Gana, ni Faith, pero nalaglag siya because of the votes. Ang konti ng votes niya sa top 2. Mas marami ang votes ni Paul Garin. As in, ang daming votes niya even though hindi maganda yung sagot ni Vanessa. Pero, grabe yung support, yung votes talaga. Yun yung humila sa kanya na maging winner. So talaga, lesson learned na ito sa mga Filipino participants natin, representatives natin next year, na if ever sasali kayo, dapat yung ipapasok talaga, dapat yung sasali talaga is grabe yung connection, mayaman, grabe talaga yung connection, may family connection talaga na everything, na kayang hulog ng malaking votes pag nasa critical moments na, kasi nga napaka-importante pala ng votes based doon sa mga judges scores plus votes equals ganun, kaya very transparent yung MGI All-Stars. So next time, no, I hope yung sasali sa MGI All-Stars na from the Philippines, dapat talaga marami kang pera. Dapat marami kang pera or dapat ang dami mong supporters na kayang maghulog ng votes in a critical moments. Ayun lang. But still, I am happy no to the performance of Gassini and other girls. So, congratulations, you did your best. And also to Vanessa, congrats, and Faith, and everyone, congrats also. So yun lang, bye-bye.